Welcome to TIGKING's YouTube channel. I bought a new welding helmet last week and today I will talk about this. This is not a review or a recommendation about any specific brand name. However, if you insist any recommendation, my answer is any welding helmet is okay as long as you can see your weld clearly. It doesn't matter whether you have a $30 helmet or a $1,000 helmet. A welding helmet is not related to your welding skill improvement at all. It is just an essential gear to see your welding. Now, you are looking at my old one. I have had this for almost 15 years. During my 20 years as a welder, I have used many welding hoods, including automatic darkening hoods, but this is my favorite. This is the passive welding helmet. I use the fixed shade black filter. The filter has a shade number. Higher the number is, darker the shade is. I use number 10 for thick and number 11 for stick and mix mostly. Nowadays, auto darkening hoods are more and more popular, but this old-fashioned helmet with a fixed shade filter still has advantages. It is good when you are in a tight spot where you weld in a crawl space. It never flashes your eyes. However, an auto darkening helmet doesn't work if something blocks the arc sensors. The auto lens flickering happens mostly when you weld in a tight spot. If the auto lens keeps flashing your eyes get burnt and you cannot sleep at night with a big pain in your eyes. If tears keep coming out with a pain, take a painkiller and do some ice pack for the eyes. How to use a passive welding helmet? I introduce 3 ways. First, with your helmet up, position your torch. Flip the hood down using a hand and strike an arc. Second, flip the hood down, tilting your head. Third, flip the front up. Position your torch, flip the front down. Once you get used to it, you can position your torch and flip the hood down almost at the same time as you see. My old one has too many cracks, so I bought a new helmet. This time, I bought an auto darkening lens too. Before you buy an auto filter, please make sure it fits into your helmet. As you see, I cannot insert my lens into the old helmet because it is too thick. However, it fits into the new helmet. Even if I use the auto lens, I always carry the fixed shade lens as a backup just in case the auto lens is down. I have another helmet. It is an auto darkening helmet from Yes Welder. My boy learns welding at home as a hobby, so I bought this one for him because he feels uncomfortable with the passive helmet. It has a good price around $100 and lots of good reviews from Amazon. That's why I bought it. I remember auto lens stopped working after 6 months. I bought another one and I blamed myself after 6 months. It stopped again. It has a good price and good reviews, but I will never buy a Yes Welder helmet or a similar one from other brands. My company provides a Lincoln Auto helmet. It started flashing after 1 year. My coworker has a $500 Lincoln Auto helmet. Unfortunately, it stopped working not even a year. Please don't get me wrong. I might be just unlucky with these helmets. Other people may have no issue with these helmets. The top-tier welding machine companies sell auto helmets too. Lincoln, Miller, Aesop, etc. If I were you, I would not buy auto welding helmets from welder companies. Its main business is welding machines, not welding helmets. If I buy a high-end auto helmet, I would buy 3M Speed Glass or Optrail. Personally, I like 3M Speed Glass. 3M started to sell auto helmets from 1980s. In addition, it is better to buy an auto helmet providing a long warranty and good customer service, including an easy exchange process. I don't deny that auto darkening helmets are convenient and getting popular. Buying a cheap one or a high-end one is up to you. Even if you decide to buy an auto helmet, I recommend you to get used to the passive helmet and to have it as a backup just in case. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and like.